Something is flying in our skies. The military has seen it, chased it, filmed it. For 80 years, they said nothing, until now. 162 classified files, hidden for decades. Objects making impossible 90-degree turns. An orb that outran a military helicopter. Mysterious lights on the moon. Encounters over Iraq, over Greece, over American soil. The Pentagon released all of it. No warning, no explanation, no answers. The president posted, "What the hell is going on?" Even he does not know. This is not science fiction. This is the US government. And this changes everything. The president directed the Pentagon to release every classified UFO file. A new website, war.gov/UFO, where anyone can access files hidden for decades. Defense Secretary said, "These files have long fueled justified speculation. It is time the American people see it for themselves." Fact 1. The object that defied physics. Greece, 2023. A military infrared camera tracks an object at 80 miles per hour. Then, it makes a 90-degree turn. Instantly. No deceleration. No curve. No aircraft on Earth can do this. No drone. No missile. No known technology. Pentagon has no explanation. Listed as unresolved. Fact 2. The orb that outran. A helicopter. FBI report. Government personnel investigate where mysterious orbs have been seen. They find it. A super hot orb hovering above the ground. They give chase. It travels 20 miles in seconds. Faster than any helicopter on Earth. FBI documented it. Pentagon released it. Nobody has an explanation. Fact 3. Astronauts saw something on the moon. Apollo 12. Astronaut Alan Bean on the lunar surface says, "It looks like some of those things are escaping the moon. They press off at the stars. Lights moving off the moon. Into space. Classified for decades. Released recently. Apollo 11. Buzz Aldrin reports a bright light in space. A possible laser. On the day humans first walked on the moon. Hidden for decades. Until now." Fact 4. Object over the western United States. An infrared military sensor captures an unidentified object over the western United States. FBI and Defense Department jointly released the image. Dark heat signature. American airspace. No flight plan. No identification. No explanation. Fact 5. The Iraq encounter. Iraq. US military aircraft on a strike mission. Surveillance active. Something appears. A mysterious craft crossing the screen at incredible speed. Object crosses. Disappears. Classified. Until now. Fact 6. The 80-year cover-up. These files go back to the 1940s. Cold War era. Germany. Soviet Union. Decades of sightings. Classified. Hidden. Denied. 80 years of silence. And now they are admitting there was always something. They just did not know what. And the most terrifying part, they still do not know. Fact 7. Obama's admission. Former President Obama on a podcast. 4 words. Aliens are real.
Are aliens real?
They're real, but I haven't seen them, and they're not being kept in, what is it?
Area 51?
Area 51. There's no underground.
He later clarified, the odds of life in the universe are high, but a former president said it. Aliens are real. Shortly after, Pentagon released 162 files. Not a coincidence. Fact 8. What they are not telling you. 162 documents released. Many not yet analyzed. More files coming. What we have seen is only the beginning. No proof of alien contact, but dozens of encounters. Objects defying every law of physics. that the most powerful military on Earth cannot explain, cannot identify, cannot stop. Something is in our skies, something near our moon, something in our airspace for 80 years. After 162 files, 28 videos, and the president's involvement, we are no closer to the truth. Maybe it is too big to tell. Maybe they do not know. Or maybe the next batch of files will finally answer the question haunting humanity. Are we alone? And if not, what does that mean for all of us?